Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. As you've probably noticed, I've been reviewing a lot of mascaras recently, but this one is unique. This one is different. It has its own story. It's got a lot to say. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. So the new Pat McGrath Labs Mascara is £24, $30 US, 13 mils and 0.43 fluid ounces. Let me read all the blurb. Instantly volumizing formulation delivers intergalactic glamour, anti-gravity lift and luxurious length with maximum impact and control. Pitch black, microfine cream pigments teleport eyes, layering each lash with lavish volume and exaggerated extraterrestrial effects. Lashes are immediately fuller, stretched and more defined, reaching beyond the stratosphere with ethereal structure and shape. It says it's going to push up lashes, it's going to sculpt them, and it's going to load them with inky intensity and volume with every coat. I really like the packaging. I think it's really nice. I like the fact that it's got the pink on the gold. I really like the look of this wand. It is a natural bristle brush. I'm intrigued as to how this is going to work on my lashes. The smell isn't too bad, so I'm just going to show you guys. Ooh. So that is just one coat of the Dark Star mascara on. I do really like the lift this gives me. It really does remind me a lot of the Marc Jacobs At Lashed and the Hourglass Unlocked, which both give really good lift. Guys, on this eye I'm going to use the original Fetish Eyes mascara. This is just very simple black mascara, nothing really crazy or exciting going on. The brush is so different. I'll show you a comparison of the two. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the original Fetish Eyes mascara from Pat McGrath on this eye, just so you can see the difference. The Fetish Eyes mascara, it just looks more even, more full, and definitely more covered. Whereas this one, there are quite a few like gaps and things. So I'll give you guys a quick close up so you can see it. I really like this mascara. I think it's done a really good job. I think it's kind of like if the Hourglass mascara and the Marc Jacobs mascara had a baby. I still love my Fetish Eyes mascara. I'm not gonna lie, it's still my fave. But I'm gonna practice with this and then I'm gonna do a roundup for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.